Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, January the 5th, and it's 8:44 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is break number 485, which is a Panini Limited 2011-12 brand new box. Serial number NE99120574. Alright, so I wish you guys good luck. Checklist. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. Alright, so let's begin. We have Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning, numbered out of 299. John Tavares for the New York Islanders, numbered out of 299. Eric Lindros for the Philadelphia Flyers, numbered out of 299. We have a jumbo material for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban, numbered out of 99. For the New York Rangers, we have brothers in arms, Henrik Lundqvist and Martin Biron, numbered out of 199. For the Anaheim Ducks, Saku Koivu, nice autograph. One out of 25. Retired numbers, Ron Francis for the Carolina Hurricanes, numbered out of 199. And for the Edmonton Oilers, we have Grant Fuhr, numbered out of 199. Alright, so that's it for this break. Thank you very much for joining. Hope you got good hits in here. And hope to see you back on next breaks.